Good morning, children. All these days we have learned animals and their young ones. The last animals, do you know that they give directly birth to their young ones? Isn't it? You might have seen around you the domestic animals, the dogs and cats, the little ones, young ones. How are they? They will be when they born, they are very weak. They cannot stand on its own. So who will help? The mother will help. So these animals, the young ones, they develop in their mother's body. The young baby, they develop in the mother's womb. The other animals, the egg-laying animals, how they develop in the eggs. And this mothers, the young ones, the babies, in the mother's body, it develops. The animals that give directly birth to the babies, where it will be developing, it develops in the mother's body. The animals, which animals they give directly to their babies birth? They are cats, dogs, lions, elephants, deer, monkeys, rabbits and horses. And they are called mammals. Even the humans also, they give directly birth to their young ones. Where they develop in the mother's body, these babies, they develop. And these young ones who are feeding with their own milk, they are called mammals. Mammals are animals. They give directly birth to the babies and they feed with their own milk. And they take care of the babies till they become old enough to take care of themselves. And these animals, they have hair on their body. These animals, they have hair on their body. Have you seen? You must be having the dogs also, pets in your house, isn't it? How hair, the long hair is there, isn't it? Even the horses also on their back, they have hair. The lions, did you see? The lions are having the hair near the face, around its face. Even the monkeys, chimpanzees also, they have long hair around their face and all. So you observe these, and I'll show you the little ones. The cow also gives, cow's young one is called calf. The cat's young one is called kitten. And the dog's young ones are called puppies. And kangaroos young ones are called joy. They are called joy. Elephants and young ones are called calf. They are calf. Now you can see in your textbook also. The one example I will give you, whoever is there, the youngest child in your house, how your mother takes care. She protects you from the cold. She protects you when it's raining. Then also she will cover your body and gives you the protection. Here, and because when you are young, you cannot do anything of your own, isn't it? So to take the bath also, to clean your body also, you need your mother's help, isn't it? To feed you also, you need your mother's help. Even the animals also will take care much more, isn't it? So I'll show you in your textbook, the page number 208. This is the cow and the young one of a cow. How the cow is feeding milk to the calf. And the puppies, can you see the dog is resting and the puppies are drinking milk from the mother's body, isn't it? Now you can see the lion and the cub. The horse and the pony, the young one of a horse is called pony. The kangaroo and the young one. The kangaroo's young one is where? In its pocket. And its stomach pocket, small pocket is there. In that, the young kangaroo is there. The most of the animals have hair on their bodies. The mother feeds its young ones with her own milk. All mammals look after their young ones till they are old enough to take care of themselves. So your parents also look after you like this only. With this, we have completed the explanation of this lesson. Now let us see what are the points we have covered till yet. The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. What is reproduction? That point also we have covered. And the second point, animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Animals by laying eggs. I drew the diagram of a hen's egg, isn't it? And I explained you the part by part how the embryo develops in the egg and all. That also I have explained you. What are those egg? Three parts of the egg. Do you remember? You can see that the three parts of the egg: hard shell, the egg shell, the albumin and the yolk. These are the three parts. And yolk contains the developing baby, and yolk also it provides the food to the embryo. These things I explained you, and the embryo inside the egg goes through various stages of development. When it is fully developed, the egg hatches and the chick comes out. You might have seen these hens when they are on the roadside. The mother hen will be going around, and the chicks are also going along with the back of the hen. Did you observe any time? You please stand wherever the chicks are there, the hen is there. You can see it's very funny. You can watch that. And there are different stages in the life cycle of butterfly. The frogs laying eggs, that also the development of frog, how it takes place, where does it lays the eggs, and that and all I have explained you. And the butterfly laying eggs in clusters, that also I drew the diagram and explained you, isn't it? So those things with the help of this diagram I explained you. Can you see this diagram? This also with the help of diagram I explained you. And the eggs, the structure of an egg also we have explained, and the life cycle of frog also I explained you. Now the mammals are animals that give birth to their young ones and look after them till they are old enough to take care of themselves. The mother feeds the young ones with her own milk. Means when the babies are very small, your mother takes the feeding bottle, feeds the milk and feeds the young one. Isn't it? We have covered all these points, students. Please go through this lesson, read this lesson again and again, and remember my videos. In our next class, we'll be writing the new words. Thank you.